In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your font type and then font size using Google Sheets. Very simple. So you can see I have something on the screen here. I'm going to change the font size and type. Already sometimes New Roman. Let's try to do some edit. So I'm just going to Ctrl+A to select every sheet, every part on the sheet, and you can see these are the tabs and the ribbons here. Move to this section. You can see default here. Tap on that and you get access to a lot of fonts. You can tap on add more fonts and then you add more if you want to. Let's select impact. Very tough. And now you can see the font size. We can increase it. You see it increasing. We can decrease it as well. And then we can make it bold. We can make it italics. We can add a strike through if you want to. Let's not add all these things. And you can change the text color too as well if you want to. Just like you do on Excel, you can do a lot with Google Sheets too. You can change the color, that's the sheet color, and everything. Yeah, so I think I've showed you guys everything. Changing your font size, the color, the type, adding the inks and all that on Google Sheets. Very simple. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.